Wow, it's so pretty here. Get up. I'm coming. This is so pretty. Holy cow. There's all these little black flies everywhere. Go away, bugs. Alright. Well, good morning, party people. Hey, Blue, where are you running off to, bud? It's time to make coffee and some sort of breakfast. Let's see, what do I want? Coffee. I got stuff for both cereal and oatmeal, and I don't know if I want cereal or oatmeal. I guess we'll roll with an oatmeal today. Chocolate chip, 14 grams of protein. Why not? And my lovely AeroPress. It's your time to shine, babe. Wow, Bubby. Does that dirt feel nice? Yeah? Oh, you want breakfast? Sorry, forgot. I forgot to feed you first. How rude. Sit. There you go. Oh my gosh, these black flies are everywhere. This bug spray may be like 3 years old, but be gone. For some reason, I feel like they like the Backaroo. I feel better. Be gone! Ew! I'm being attacked! Ew! Ew! Ew. I hate bugs. How about some flea and tick spray, guys? This is like all gonna get in my water or my coffee. Be gone. We do not want you here. That's how I get grounds in it every time. It's from that filter. That's how, because I just dropped so many in there. Oh well. Oh well. What's your guys' favorite coffee company? You should comment down below so I can try a bunch. Alright, you know what? Stop falling over. I'm such a picky coffee drinker that I feel like it'd be kind of fun to do a series where I just rank different coffees in the mornings on the road. Or if anybody wants to send me their favorite coffee to try, that would also, I would not complain about that. But so far, Cremota is like my new favorite coffee. So I just spilled coffee grounds all over Rue. Gotta love it. Oh my gosh, the flies are back. I'm gonna kill myself. Alright, I'm gonna go eat this and drink my coffee in my front seat because these flies are nasty. And I'm gonna need to let all this cool off anyways. So... if you guys get in my car, I swear to God, I'm gonna end it all. Alright. Alright, you wanna come in with me or you wanna stay outside? Okay. I can't stand like black flies. That stuff's so nasty. They just like swarm you. Ugh. The menu today. Solid. Oh my, you guys, I'm telling you that sweet butter hazelnut from Cremota is like life-changing. It's so good. But wait, what are we gonna do if we're gonna be swarmed by black flies all weekend, huh? I'm gonna freak out. I was told to come here by some friends who like spoke really highly of it, and it's gorgeous. So I'm excited to check it out for a few days. My friends actually might meet me up here, so that would be pretty fun if they came up. Oh, bub. Yeah. Do you want to see the squad? This guy behind me has a huge camper and wants my spot. And I'm going to be nice and give it to him because I've got to run to town anyways. So we'll just find a different spot when we come back. Have to be nice to your fellow campers. Gotta run to town, bub. Rue needs air in his tires, so that's my big thing for right now. Alright, get up. Let's go get some air in Rue's tires. And then we'll come back. So, easy peasy. This place is gorgeous. These lakes look like oceans. Like, oh my gosh. Holy Blue, we have to get some Instagram pictures here because this is gram worthy. Look at everybody fishing. Whoa. Half jumps out the window. You know what sucks about Rue? So many things. No, just kidding. I love this Subaru, but like no matter how many times I replace the tires, there's always a leak. Always. And I always get like the warranty at Discount Tire and they always plug them and stuff, but I think something with the aluminum rims like allows air to leak out because I'm just always dealing with a low tire, like at any point in my life. Always, constantly. All the time. Wow, when we came in last night, I did not realize it was this freaking gorgeous. Holy cow. Alright, well, we will be back. You guys, you know what's going through my head right now? What I've been dealing with lately? I've always been somebody who is never gonna get... Oh my gosh, there's a black fly in here. You're not welcome here. Anyways, I've always been somebody who never wanted tattoos ever. Like, because my mom doesn't have them, and I just always thought she was like the classiest person in the world. And I just always wanted to like grow up and be classy. Not that tattoos can't be classy, but I just feel like on me, for some reason, I'm already such like an aggressive looking person. I feel like it just like wouldn't add to me being classy, if that makes sense. But recently I've been having this urge to like get matching tattoos with every single person that I know. And I've got like matching tattoo ideas and agreements with like my mom, my siblings, 2 of my friends. I'm working on my dad right now, so that's 5. I don't know, guys. Should I just get tatted up or what? Like at this point, should I just do a sleeve? I'm just saying. One of the venison meat packets must be bleeding because I just emptied the water out of the cooler to add more ice and it was running red. So probably the ground if I had to guess. All right, now to do tires. They have free air here, but the issue is I have literally no clue which tire is low. So we're just gonna go eyeball it. And when we get to a bigger town, then I guess we'll actually check the pressures. I have no clue if that worked or not. Literally none. That was an eyeball situation. Oh my gosh, you know what I just realized? I'm so stupid, but I'm also so self-sufficient. I actually have a tire filler upper little thing with me in my roof rack. So actually, my tire light went off, so never mind, I'm good. But I did forget that I have that little, I just missed my turn, so I was so excited. I forgot that I have that little thing that I can fill up my tires anywhere, just from the car charger. So I guess I can check my pressure with that, but the light went off, so we're good. We're gooch. Good to go. Oh my gosh, this spot is even better than the one we just had. Holy cow! Blue. This is straight money. Wow. This might be the prettiest place I've ever camped. I'm gonna throw the drone up and then we're gonna end this one here, you guys. Get ready for the next few vlogs here because I'm so excited. This is so pretty and I have friends coming to join us. So you guys are gonna meet the squad in the next couple of videos. All right. Send the drone up.